Hello, I'm going to show you how to install Spiderman Web of Shadows graphics mod and also install various types of skin like Brown New Day movie skin and lots more that improve the game. To get started, I think I need to install the graphics mod first. So this is the one, KTMX Hansa for Web of Shadows. You double click on this. I recommend running as administrator. That's better. Then I'm going to click next, press agree, go to browse, and I'm going to look for the game folder, which is here. And I'm going to click on image. I don't know if this is the same in your case, but you need to find the PC folder. This will be the same for everyone. So click on PC folder and press OK, then next and install. So once we're done, we're going to click on Windows. And you're gonna find this Spidey WOS KTMX hamster. You can start from here, but what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go to the game folder. Where is it? No, wait. So I'm going to go to the game folder because I'm going to show you how to launch it manually. And here we go. Here's the exe. And to install skins, you can download from Nexus Mod. Go to Files, download manually, and let's just say I've downloaded it. So I have this file here. This is the file from Nexus Mod, right? So when you open it, we have this TPF file. What we're gonna do is go to text mod folder here, and I'm going to drag this into this folder and replace it. There we go. We have a skin mod. Now, a lot of people have performance issue, right? For this, I recommend you installing unlimited FPS stable 60 FPS mod. It's easy, okay? Let me show you. Should be in download folder or something. There it is. Unlimited FPS. Stable 60 FPS. I'm gonna go to %update percent. And I'm going to press on updater, go to local, and then I'm going to search for Activision. Then I'm going to go to Spiderman Web of Shadows. Here. I don't use stable 60, I actually use this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to drag this. But just after you drag it, don't launch the game because it's not going to match your resolution. So I'm going to the game folder. I'm going to launch Spiderman launcher.exe. I'm going to close everything because I don't need them. And then I'm going to go to videos and I'm going to choose my resolution, and we can let them be like that, then press close. And then I can launch the game, and it should launch with reshade as well as texture and the skin mod that we just installed from Nexus Mod. To test it out, I'm going to play the game a little bit and show you around so you get an idea of, like the mod, and just know, press OK and just know how to make sure that it works. And you have this little logo here, Web of Shadows KTMX sensor. This tells you that it's working. And then you have this Spider-Man looking at you. Let's go to load game. I'm gonna load a save game where I almost completed the game. So let's look down. The texture is really HD on the sidewalk, and we have the new skin. It looks crispy. And look at the cars. They have underexposed. Why is it doing that? And if we go near a tree, yeah, okay. You can see the bricks are HD. The trees look nicer too. The mailbox is red because I prefer it that way, and I can go near a trash can. The trash can looks better. That's just new trashes. And here's the zebra crossing. There's a change, you know. The road texture is darker and it has like little details of asphalt. And if I go near a store, you can see the store details are different. There's a new store. Let me get down. Okay. Here's another new store, and there's another one, Mamma Mia Pizzeria. And inside you can see a pizza store that's in the mod as well. So, and the sky, it looks blue. So yeah, it's working. I'm going to close it now. Thank you for watching. If you got any questions, you can message me on Patreon. I can check them once in a while, and you can also leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.